Good, okay. Look around. Strong legs, even hands. Good. Change leads. And canter up now, move it up. Give him a kick with your outside leg. Good, and then you can just sink a bit closer. Keep your legs on. Go with him, change legs. Move up now, out of the saddle. Good, keep coming, look up to your new fence. Good, sink a bit closer, strong legs. Canter up out of the saddle on through your turn. Good, now look at the part you want. Strong legs, close your fingers. Good job. Very good. Finish on a circle, make a soft transition trot and walk. Good job. And pat and stretch. Yeah, and walk and come up here.